Hello and welcome to another video about the Tesla Model 3 at a traditional car show. In this slideshow, you will see the excitement of kids and adults who had the opportunity to see a Tesla Model 3 up close and even sit behind the wheel. Many of the visitors are aspiring owners who now have an opportunity to ask questions and receive factual answers. This experience meant a lot to them. Also, for letting me take their picture, I reward them with a Tesla logo-shaped key fob. If I have a young visitor with extra knowledge and excitement for Teslas, I'll reward them with a die-cast Tesla model. Lastly, in the video, you will see that I have set up a short video for visitors to view. They can see what it is like to ride in a self-driving Tesla from a passenger's perspective. I hope that by watching this slideshow, you'll get a sense of the impact that seeing a Tesla Model 3 can have on people. All right.
Oh my! Me! Crash into the car.
I'm gonna crash into them jalopies. Beep.
I'll get it ready for you. You want me to
No, steer it. He's doing it on the screen. Juddy, steer it. Steer it with the wheel. I'll do it with the wheel if he doesn't want to. No, Juddy, do it with the wheel, okay?